Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to show you how to model cool characters like this. Actually, my process does not just entail modeling. I will start with the concept, with designing the character. Uh, that usually involves piecing together different sources to create that have a similar character. You search up images or concept arts from other artists. Then you design your own character based on their designs, and then you bring that concept into Blender and start sculpting. Actually, the most important stage for character creation to me is the sculpting. Other than the designing the character itself, is sculpting. Sculpting the character is very important. Okay, this took me about uh, 2 weeks just because I don't have the time to be consistently working on. It's not my full-time job, so it's more like a hobby. Uh, so this took me 2 weeks to do. Took me about 2 weeks. I wanted to animate it, but I haven't so far found the time to do so. So as you can see, I rigged it with Rigify. This is the wireframe for the model. It's a bit intense here on the clothes because I wanted to have the details. And maybe there's something I can do to reduce the poly count. But that's basically it. And then, what else? Let me see. Rest. Let's look into the material preview. As you can see, I just used the basic principle BSDF. No textures, not yet at least. I think I'll add some textures later on and modify them, add some more details to this particular model. Let's see how it looks. Pose position. Yeah, it's not bad. So you can make some pretty decent characters just using, mind you, it's intermediate level character creation. It's nothing advanced, not particularly anyway, but I think it's good enough for a lot of things you'd want to do. Maybe animate, maybe use it as a concept art or some cool renders. It will look pretty decent if you follow my steps. So stick around, I'll show you.